In this video, you'll learn how to automatically generate and send invoices in WooCommerce when an order reaches a specific status in your workflow, using SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. In many stores, invoices are generated immediately after payment, but that doesn't always match how the business actually works. For example, you might want to send the invoice only after production is finished, after a manual review, or right before shipping. Instead of relying on default WooCommerce behavior, you can align invoice generation with your real workflow. To do this, we'll use SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce together with PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for WooCommerce. First, make sure that both plugins are installed and active. Now, go to WooCommerce and open the Order Statuses section. Here, choose the status in your workflow where it makes sense to send the invoice. For example, this could be a status like ready to ship, ready for pickup, or any step where the order is finalized on your side. This is not a special status just for invoices, but a real step in your process. Edit that status and go to the Notifications tab. Here, you can configure an email notification that will be sent automatically when an order reaches this status. In this same section, you'll find an option called Attach Documents to the Notifications. If PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for WooCommerce is active, you'll see a checkbox for Invoice. If you're also using the Pro version of that plugin, you may see additional options like Packing Slip. Simply enable the Invoice option. Now, when this notification is sent, the invoice will be automatically attached to the email. Let's see how this works in practice. When an order is updated to this status, the notification is triggered, and the customer receives an email with the invoice already attached. Everything happens automatically, without any manual steps. This allows you to control exactly when invoices are generated and sent, based on your real workflow. Instead of adapting your process to WooCommerce defaults, you define the exact moment when the invoice should be created and delivered to the customer. This is especially useful for stores with custom processes, internal validation steps, or made-to-order products. By combining custom order statuses with automatic notifications and document attachments, you can create a much more efficient and reliable workflow. That's how you can automatically generate and send invoices in WooCommerce when an order reaches a specific status using SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce.